Another important laws of logarithm that we are going to look at is the base power law. That is, if you have a logarithm, maybe log b base a raised to the power of, log b base a raised to the power of c, you can see that the base of this logarithm is raised to a power. The result of this kind of log will be the inverse of the power multiplied by the log. Okay, no, base a. Hello, it's simple. Anytime you have a logarithm whose base is raised to a power, the result will be the inverse of the base multiplied by the logarithm. So let's say you have log 5 base e raised to the power of 2. This will be equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by log 5 base 3. Do you get it? Okay, another one. Let's say you have log 6 base 7 raised to the power of 2. This will be equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by log 6 base 7. Anytime you have a logarithm whose base is raised to a power, the result will be the inverse of the power multiplied by the log. The inverse or the reciprocal of the power multiplied by the log. Do you understand it now? Okay, so now, this law that you see here is called the base power law. Now, let's look at the next law, which is the equality properties of logarithm. When do we say two log are equal? Let's say we have log a equals to log c. Log a is only equals to log c if a is equals to c. Are you getting it? So therefore, for these properties, if a is 5, that means c must also be 5. Do you understand? This law that you see here is called the equality properties of logarithm. Okay? Now, the next law say the log of 1. What would be the if you punch the log of 1 in your calculator, what are you going to have? The log of 1 will give you 0. Okay? That is the next law, the log of 1. The log of 1. The log of 1 will be equals to 0. Okay? So please kindly note all this law that we are discussing. Okay? Please kindly note all the law. The 12th law of logarithm that we're going to talk about is the index law of logarithm. This law that you see on the board is one of the important laws that connect logarithm and indices. And in this law, we're going to be learning how to rewrite a logarithm form question back to index form. For example, let's say you have log y base x equals to z. Do you know that this one is in logarithmic form? You understand? What you have on the board is in logarithmic form. You can rewrite this in index form. That means this in index form will be x raised to the power of z will be equals to y.
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section, okay? See you in the next class.